Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Altadena local and long distance movers near me. A move of 100 miles or more is considered a long distance move. This type of move requires more thought and planning than a shorter move. Whether you're moving 100 miles or a few thousand miles, we can help make the process so much easier. Our team offers all the necessary services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. With the right California moving company, you'll get a team ready to help make moving days so much easier. It might seem difficult to rationalize the cost, but the benefit makes it worth it. Our team will save you a ton of time and make sure your things are well protected during transit. We take the heavy lifting off your shoulders to make sure your move is so much easier. A good moving company such as 3 Movers will streamline moving day for you. We make things go much faster so you can get settled in sooner to your new location. A move that would take you 3 days to complete, we can get done in less than 1 day. If you're ready to hire the best Altadena moving company, it's time to call us today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Altadena moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.